Looking for a survival kit that truly prepares you for any situation? Let's dive into the GOGCAMP 290-piece survival kit, an incredibly versatile and compact tool set designed for everything from camping trips to emergency scenarios. This kit is a powerhouse, packing a whopping 290 essential items into a compact, durable, and portable bag. Measuring only 8.6 by 6.2 by 7.4 inches, it's made from high-density waterproof nylon, so it's rugged enough to withstand the harshest conditions. And with its mall-compatible design, you can easily attach it to your tactical backpack, vest, or even your car for quick access. Let's talk about what's inside. This survival kit includes a multifunctional axe, a straw-type water purifier that can filter up to 400 gallons, and a fire starter, ensuring you can stay warm and hydrated no matter where you are. The first aid supplies cover everything from basic cuts to more severe injuries, with bandages, antiseptics, and even a CPR mask. You'll also find tools to build campfires, handle emergency rescues, and even set up temporary shelters with the included emergency tent. Perfect for those caught in an unexpected overnight situation or even during natural disasters like earthquakes. The compact nature of this kit is a standout feature. While many survival kits offer plenty of tools, the GOGCAMP kit manages to include an impressive variety without taking up much space. This makes it ideal not just for outdoor enthusiasts, but also for families looking to stay prepared for emergencies at home, in their car, or even while traveling. In terms of real-world durability, the items in this kit have been rigorously tested to ensure they hold up under tough conditions. The waterproof and tear-resistant nylon pack is built to last, while tools like the axe and water purifier are crafted to perform reliably when you need them most. This level of attention to detail makes the kit a great investment for adventurers, campers, hikers, and hunters alike. One thing we love about this kit is how comprehensive it is. It truly has everything you need, making it one of the most complete survival kits on the market. Whether you're prepping for a backcountry camping trip or simply want to stay ready for emergencies, this kit will have your back. Finally, it's also an awesome gift idea. The thoughtful packaging and high-quality contents make it perfect for special occasions like Father's Day, Christmas, or birthdays. It's a gift that shows you care about someone's safety and preparedness. So, if you're looking for a survival kit that combines practicality, durability, and a wide range of essential tools, the GOGCAMP 290-piece survival kit is definitely worth checking out. Whether you're out in the wild or facing a home emergency, this kit has everything you need to stay prepared and protected. You will find Amazon's link in the description of this video.